thing I like most about the plumbing class is the interaction with the other students, the instructors.
Yes, we built the house last year, Habitat for Humanity. A lot of interaction. You get to learn the industry in and out. You get to learn how to run a business.
Instructor, Mr. Robbie Wolf, cares about his students. He's very knowledgeable about his trade. And again, there's a good mix of real-world situations. He owns his own plumbing business that he applies to the classroom.